All right, guys. Welcome to our 930 group break. That is going to be a 10-box case of the 22-23 Hit Parade Hockey Supreme Patches Series 1. 10-box case, 10-spot random box break. So the way it's going to work is while we open the boxes, we will fill out column B. So as we fill up our 10 boxes in column B, we will then random off column A into column D, column B into column E, and where they match up is the box you will get. So let's see what we got in here. Starting off with our Supreme Patches Series 1, box 1 of 10. I'm saying, Corpse, 2 nights in a row, Sabres blow the lead, and it just makes me lose all grasp on my faculties. Story old as time. For both. Man, I couldn't have done that any better if I tried. It's like a display piece there. Look at that. All right, so Supreme Patches starting off with 80 of 100. All right, starting off, we are going to have from SP Game Used Supreme Stick Swatch. That is going to be captain of the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Carbonneau. Nice one there, Guy Carbonneau. Very cool one there, out of 15, Guy Carbonneau. So won 2 cups with the Montreal Canadiens, and then won another sneaky one all the way in 1999 with the Dallas Stars, but we don't talk about that one. It's a nice one there, 80, Guy Carbonneau. Alrighty, up next, that is me 94. Oh, very cool one here. That is going to be SP Game Use Supreme Patches, Jason Spezza. Missed time with the Dallas Stars, Jason Spezza. Number 2 of 15 for the longtime Ottawa Senator. Played for Dallas, played for Toronto. Great player, Jason Spezza. All right, up next, 42 of 100. Number 42 of 100, we are going to have Supreme Sticks. That's going to be from his time with the LA Kings. We're going to have Tyler Toffoli. Tyler Toffoli. Number 8 of 15. Great one there. That carbon fiber stick there with the Reebok. Or whatever. .42 Toffoli. That's going to be 51 of 100. Supreme Sticks. That's going to be another former Ottawa Senator. But this is from his time with the Minnesota Wild. How about Danny Heatley? Number 9 of 12, Supreme Sticks, Danny Heatley. Real nice one there. Out of 12, Danny Heatley. Also played for Atlanta. Played for the Senators, for the Sharks as well. That's going to be 72 of 100. There it is. Ben Gordon likes that one. 5-on-3 for Detroit. My goodness. All right, this will also come with a entrance into the Barry Sanders and Muhammad Ali autographed card. Barry Sanders autographed jersey, Muhammad Ali autographed card, cut signature. So that will come with your in box number 72. That is going to be a Cam Talbot. Out of 15, Cam Talbot. Yep, you got it, Snipes. No problem, dude. Supreme Sticks, Danny Heatley. That is going to be Supreme Sticks, Tyler Toffoli. It's going to be a Supreme Patch, Jason Spezza. And a Supreme Stick, Guy Carbonneau. Nice one there, wearing the C for Montreal there as well, Guy Carbonneau. And I even did mention, even gave him his props for being on that 1999 Dallas Stars team as well, beating my Buffalo Sabres. No, not at all, Snipes. I don't think anybody minds seeing the rundown one more time. Halfway through, it was halfway through. That was the intermission, right there. Killed the 5-on-3. Let's go, boys. Come on. It's gonna be 28 of 100. So the Sabres blowing a lead for the second night in a row. So hopefully I get the update. They're on TNT tonight, which I don't have, so I cannot see it. But all right, nice one here. That is going to be a Roberto Luongo. Nice one there out of 15. Roberto Luongo. Really nice part of the Florida Panthers patch right there. Roberto Luongo, that is going to be out of the 15-16 SB game used. Roberto Luongo. Nice patch there. 28 Luongo. Hall of Famer. Well, I like to hear it. Don't like giving Detroit another point, but to steal the extra point tonight here. All right, speaking of Detroit, we are going to have a nice Detroit get here out of 15. That is going to be Nicholas Kronwall. Nicholas Kronwall. 15-16 SP game use. Nicholas Kronwall. Nice one there. Supreme Stick out of 15 with the barcode. With the barcode on it. So nice one there for the Detroit Red Wings. 36, Nicholas Kronwall. Next up, 60 of 100. Nice Stanley Cup champ there. Oh, another Stanley Cup champion here. This is going to be from his very brief time with the Chicago Blackhawks. We got another Hall of Famer, another Stanley Cup champ, and an Olympic gold medalist. That is going to be Dominik Hasek. Dominik Hasek. Supreme Sticks out of 12. Dominik Hasek. 14-15 SP game used. The Dominator. Oh, it sure is, Snipes. Definitely my boy right there. Dominic Hasek. That is going to be 60 for the Dominator. Alrighty, number 18 of 100. 2 to go. 2 to go. Ooh, nice one here. That is going to be Supreme Patches. How about Glenn Murray? That's a long timer in the league right there. Glenn Murray. It's going to be out of 12, and it looks like a bit of Pooh Bear patch. It's my guess is that's Pooh Bear patch. Unless it's like most of the bear of the shoulder patch there, but I feel like that's Pooh Bear. Nice one there. Glenn Murray. Long timer. So that's going to be 18 of 100. Glenn Murray. And our final box here. 9 of 100. Alrighty. How about the all-time leader for all-time road goals, away goals? Just attained that mark, I believe, last night. It's going to be the great 8, Alexander Ovechkin. Supreme Stick, Alexander Ovechkin. There you go. That is from the 15-16 SP Game Used, Alexander Ovechkin. So here we go. That is our case. Let's see where all of these are going to end up. So let's start with our names. They are going to go 7 times. And our names. Our cards, rather. 4 times. All right, let's see how we did. So box number 80 going to Jock D. That is Guy Carbonneau. Michael C. 42, Tyler Toffoli. And you'll also get box 60 with Dominic Hasek. Philippe S. 18, Glenn Murray. Snipes, you are going to get box number 9 with Alexander Ovechkin. Anthony I, you're going to get 36, Nick Cronwall. Austin D, 94, Jason Spezza. Jacques D, 51, Danny Heatley. Trent B, 72, Cam Talbot. And James R, you are going to get box number 28 with Roberto Luongo. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the break. Hope you have yourselves a fantastic rest of your night. A very happy holidays, and we will see you next time. Take care now.